Watch this video to work on Fur Elise. This video is focusing on the third section, second phrase of that section. We are looking at Fur Elise today, and we're looking at the third section at the second phrase within the third section. So for the sake of this video, we are going to be starting with the last measure of the first phrase, which is in measure number 69, and it starts with an A and C in your right hand and stretched A's in your left hand. So looking at the right hand first, we're going to start by doing the same chord progression that we did in the last phrase. So you're here at A and C, and you're going to come right back up. C sharp, B flat, G and E, and then F, A, D, C sharp, E to D, F, F and D, and again. Let's start just by playing that part. So we are going from measure 69 to measure 73. Ready, set, go. Good. The next notes for the right hand, the bottom note is on G, fourth finger on E flat. And then you're going to move down. So you go fifth finger on D, thumb on F, and we're going to move down again to C and E flat. And you'll notice that my second finger will go to E flat, and then B flat, F, and D. Let's try just that. So we'll start with G and E flat at the top. Then we go down, down, down. What I want to point out is that this is a legato phrase, so you'll watch how my fingers are going to keep the continuity here. So starting here, then I'm going to come sliding, and then over, and then slide. Try that with me one more time. Here we go. Slide, over, slide. Then you come in and move your top note to A, and then we're going to play G sharp. These bottom notes have not changed. Play this again, and then we end with this. So we are starting in measure 74, playing the entire right hand part. Ready, set, go. Fingering really does matter in this section of Fur Elise because that's how you get the continuity and the legato that you really need. So we're going to begin now in measure 69, and we're going to play the entire right hand part. We are not going fast, and we're really working on the fingering and making sure the notes are right. So starting with this A and C. Ready, set, go. This is legato. Slide over. Looking at what happens in the left hand, it's pretty simple. So we are going to play a lot of these A's. We do this for, so the first measure, you're actually going to play an octave, and I think I'm off camera, but my bottom finger is on the A below, and then you come up and play this again. We do this for another measure, one more measure. Now we're going to come to B flat, another measure, one more measure, and now B natural and C. Try it with me. We are starting in measure 69 with an octave stretch on A's. Ready, set, go. Two more measures here. Three measures on B flat. This is 2 and 3. Now B natural and a C. Good. So please stop the video here and practice the right hand and the left hand alone for at least a couple of days before you start to put it together, and then come back to this video and we will put it together. Okay, so we are going hands together beginning in measure 69. Ready, set, go. Good. The last thing that I would like to look at with this is the dynamics. So we're going to start out piano, then we'll crescendo all the way up to a forte when we get to this part. And then we're going to diminuendo back down to about a mezzo piano. We're beginning piano in measure 69. And remember, the right hand notes are long compared to the left hand notes, which are disconnected. Ready, set, go. From here, you will work on increasing the tempo, and that will be to the end of phrase 2. Great job. You have acquired the notes for the second phrase. Your job now is to take this into your practice, work on refining it, becoming more reliable, consistent, and accurate in what you are doing, and then increase the tempo. Good job today.